As we enter, this is the very large and open spacious living room. As you can see, finished hardwood floors throughout. The best part of this apartment, light and views for days. This is the view outside one of the 5 windows actually in the apartment. East River, Tudor City, and the UN. This is a corner unit facing north and east, so you get tons of privacy, quiet. We are very high up in the building, so you won't even hear street noise from here. Another window view. Bedroom with French doors. You can see corner, beautiful windows here as well. And that is a queen size bed, but you can easily fit a king in here. Closet wardrobe built in. 9.5-foot ceilings throughout. Unobstructed north and east views throughout the apartment. And yay, here comes the sunlight. Now turning around, here's the shot back from the bedroom space. As you can see, it's a radiator on the ground with custom built-in covers, so you could put stuff on top, sit on top of it. Now heading back. Can't get enough of these views and light. Now we're gonna walk towards the kitchen and bathroom area. And this is the entrance to the apartment. There's one closet here, another on this side. You can see how big these closets are and how much stuff it is in. And opening the other side, coats. And one more, just in case. And this one's being used as a utility closet. Kitchen was newly finished about 4 years ago. Dishwasher, Caesarstone countertops, subway tile, and custom wood cabinets on top. This also great feature that has a window so you get light. Above range microwave and vent. Brand new electric cooktop. Now coming back around, I'm gonna go into the bathroom. That is a jacuzzi tub. And this is a medicine cabinet. Now turning back around, you can see the opposite view, going back into a little office space here. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to email Lee-Tessitore team at compass.com.